What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Casper Network, or CSPR, which is up 1.7% at 4.8 cents, $578 million market cap with 11.8 billion coins in circulation, and an infinite max supply. All-time high was 3 years ago at $1.33. All-time low was 1 year ago at 2.2 cents. Currently available on the following exchanges. There's 3 different pages of exchanges that's available on. So if you want it, you can definitely find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Casper. All right, everybody, let's get into Casper. Casper has broken out of its lifelong downtrend that has been in since 2021, and we're currently back tested it as support February 17th, and it held. So we are officially bullish now on Casper. Official trend reversal has taken place. Broke out of the downtrend, broke out, back tested. Now the main area to focus on for Casper is this price right about here. I would say right about 50 to 60 cents for Casper, this horizontal support or horizontal resistance. In the past, going all the way back to 2021, that was a big support there, resistance area 2 times here, resistance area right here. So we have not been above 60 cents since May of 2022, and we were in a downtrend that entire time. So going into this bull run here, that is the price that we need to focus on, that 60 cents area for Casper. If we get above 60 cents on Casper, that's when we're going to be starting to see those big moves. I know if you're holding Casper right now, you're seeing all these other coins making large moves. It's a matter of time till those large moves roll into Casper, and that's going to be when we get above 60 cents here. That's what I'm going to be expecting here for Casper, is probably gradually working its way up to 60 cents to test that main resistance area out. Most likely not breaking through it on the first attempt, but we'll see how the market looks at that point. But let's draw some fibs on this bad boy and see what's going on. So we're going to draw the fibs from this high to this low, and that 60 cents, 55, 60 cents range is around that 382 area on the fibs. We're going to draw a red box for you guys there just to give you a little visual of the channel that we have to break. This is the channel that we have to break. This is 55 through 60 cents. We'll keep this box drawn here, so when we come back to Casper, we'll know the areas that we have to break through. So that's the area you have to break through in order for Casper to start making some big moves to the upside. So it's not bullish until it's above 60 cents. We're technically slightly bullish because we got a lifelong downtrend, but we're not bullish until we're above 60 cents. If you look at the indicators, we got a sell signal. We got a sell signal here on the 6th of March on the MACD. I wouldn't be too concerned about that. You can see we can print multiple sell signals in the overbought territory before we see some sort of correction. On top of that, RSI has room to run up. The only concerning part about the RSI that it is, if I draw a mean line right here, which is just a medium line, we tend to top out on the RSI around this general area. And not exactly to say we wicked above it here, almost here, right here. So I'd be keeping an eye on this because we've really only moved largely past this 68 on the RSI 3 different times. So I'm pretty curious to see what happens when the RSI gets back up here, whether we're going to be breaking it or not. And I think we do have a chance of breaking it, but we're most likely going up to 55 to 60 to see a slight pullback and then a push up past that area. Now, if we look at the short term fib, which is from this top to the bottom right here, what we're currently going to be contending with is that 0.5 area and that moonline seeing the 618 at 60 cents. So that's why it's so important that 55 to 60. All these fibs that we've drawn have shown resistance between 55 cents and 60 cents. So my theory is if we get above 55, 60 cents, man, that's when we're going to start rocking and rolling. So I'd be keeping an eye on a 55-cent move, not 55-cent move, a movement up to 55 cents on Casper right now. And then we'll keep monitoring this red box. So if you see it above 60, man, you better have your moon suits ready to rock and roll because you're going to be starting to move up really fast for Casper, especially since that was a resistance area that you've been below for multiple years. It's a multi-year resistance area on Casper. So the next move is most likely up to 55 to 60 cents, and then we'll reassess the situation when we get up to that price area, whether we're going to get rejected from the area or if the indicators and the market sentiment is bullish at that time and we have the juice to smash through it. But right now, that's the areas we need to focus on, 55 and 60 cents, and then we'll reassess the situation after that. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin within 24 hours. Thank you.